Alright everybody, welcome back. Remember, there'll be a link in the video description below that will have, it'll be a link to the website and a link to my email if you need to contact me. I get guys all the time, well, how do I contact you? Well, I'm right here on YouTube. Send me a message. Send me an email. Again, there's a link in the video description. I get that question all the time. So check the video description to have that information there. This is a set of 4-row double count LED rings, alternating directions, that are going on, they're going to a guy named Jason for his Slingshot. So these are the direct bolt-on rings. All right, we're gonna light these guys up real quick. And here we go. So again, like you've seen in the other videos, we do this just at the very final testing phase prior to shipping. Make sure everything works. This is connected with the controller that's going out with it. Everything, all the extensions and everything are used in this so that we know every bit, 100%, all this stuff works, because I test this stuff throughout the fabrication process, but as you can see here, just prior to shipping. So that way we make sure everything works good for you guys before you get it. So anyway, if you're interested in the set, now's a really good time, because I'm almost damn near giving these bolt-on rings away. So really good time for right now, since I got a couple extra sets set up. But anyway, thanks for watching, and see you guys on the next video.